means of transport. Hello, I am a car. I am a popular personal vehicle, capable of carrying multiple people and goods. I come in many types, from sedans and SUVs to trucks, serving various purposes. I am a motorcycle. I am flexible and convenient for city travel. I am fuel efficient and easy to park. Hello, I am a bicycle. I am environmentally friendly and help improve health. I am suitable for short trips and sports activities. Hello everyone, I am a bus. I am a public transportation vehicle that can carry many passengers. I help reduce traffic congestion and protect the environment. Hello, I am a train. I run on tracks and can carry many passengers and goods over long distances. I am safe and time-saving. Hi, I am an airplane. I fly in the sky, helping you travel quickly between cities and countries. I am modern and comfortable. Hello, I am a subway. I run underground, helping you avoid traffic congestion. I am fast and convenient in large cities. Hello everyone, I am a taxi. I am a personal vehicle that takes you wherever you need to go. I am convenient and quick, especially when you need to travel urgently. Hello, I am a truck. I specialize in carrying goods from small to large. I come in various sizes and capacities to meet all transportation needs. Hello everyone, I am a boat. I move on rivers, lakes and seas. I am suitable for travel and transporting goods on water. Hello, I am an electric car. I use electric power, making me environmentally friendly. I am fuel efficient and operate quietly. Hello everyone, I am an ambulance. I transport emergency patients to hospitals. I have modern medical equipment and priority on the road. Hello, I am a fire truck. I transport firefighters and firefighting equipment. I quickly reach the scene to extinguish fires and save lives. Hello, I am a crane truck. I am used for lifting and moving heavy objects at construction sites. I have a powerful and flexible crane.